beneath my feet. The forest whispers soft and sweet, breathing in the quiet sound. Wings above and thoughts unbound. The weight I carry fades away. Each step rewrites a brighter day. The light breaks through the tallest trees, like answers floating on the breeze. So can I breathe? Let the silence set me free. Watching birds paint skies so wide, trying to find my place inside. I have it figured out, but I know I'm turning right about. With every beat, with every sound, I'm grounding now. I'm grounding now. Mossy stones and golden light guide me through the darkest night. Echoes of a voice so clear, tell me what I need to hear. The weight I carry fades away. Each step rewrites a brighter day.